present a thesis. The title is A Descriptive Study on Teaching Vocabulary at the First Grade in SMP 15 Banjarmasin, academic year 2013 and 2014. First, I will explain about background of the study. Many students at SMP 15 Banjarmasin cannot understand what they heard and read and feel difficult to communicate successfully with other people. There are several factors that make the student feel difficult, especially in vocabulary learning. The first one is vocabulary learning methods and techniques used by the teacher is not right or does not attract the attention of students. And the second one is unavailability of media vocabulary learning effective and interesting for the students. And the last one is most students do not have a great interest to learn English because they seem difficult. And this condition makes me curious to know how the student at SMP 15 Banjarmasin can understand the material of English subject and how way of the teacher teaching vocabulary in English subject. Based on description above, I would like to conduct the research entitled A Descriptive Study and Students on Teaching Vocabulary at SMPN 15 Banjarmasin, academic year 2012. Okay, there are two segments of the problem. The first one is how is the process of teaching vocabulary at the first grade in SMPN 15 Banjarmasin, academic year 2013 and 2014. And the second one is what are the problems in teaching vocabulary at the first grade in SMP Negeri 15 Banjarmasin, academic year 2013 and 2014. Significances of study. To get information about the description teaching vocabulary at SMPN 15 Banjarmasin and to give input to make some improvement in teaching vocabulary. There are two definitions of key terms. The first one is teaching in these terms means the activities or programs of the school, formal or non-formal. And the last one is vocabulary is all the words that a person knows using thing, like Oxford Learner's Vocab Dictionary. There are 7 review of literature. First, the definition of vocabulary. Second, kinds of vocabulary. Third, the types of vocabulary. Fourth, the definition of teaching. Fifth, teaching vocabulary. Sixth, some factors that makes a word difficult. And last but not least, vocabulary in junior high school. Okay, there are 4 methods of the research. The first one is approach and the type of research, instruments, the procedure of data collection, and the last one is data analysis. Okay, about approach and types of research. This research uses a descriptive qualitative. This research was designed by using descriptive research in order to provide the description of how is the process of teaching vocabulary at the first grade in SMPN 15 Banjarmasin. Instrumentation. Instrument is a tool or device for a particular task. In this research, the researchers will use 2 kinds of instruments to collect the factual data. There are observation sheet and interview guidance. And the procedure of data collection. The first one is data search, and the second one is techniques of collecting data. Okay, the last one is data analysis. The analysis of this research is use descriptive method after finding the data from the direct observation and interview. It's all are gathered and organized. Then they are performed as the result of research. Finally, the researchers draw the conclusion from it. Okay, thank you. That's all from me. Thank you so much.